paid no sponsors to create this video. So this is obviously my Baby Lock Soprano, and I'm going to show you the stitch I'm going to be using. So from stitch 92 to 95 is these directional stitches that the Baby Lock Soprano can do. This is a straight stitch, and then 96 to 99 is a zigzag stitch. All these stitches reference this button here, which means we're going to press this button here. The first stitch that I'm going to take is to the right, so I want to select 94. And there we go. It's all set. I'm not going to change anything. I'm going to attach that end foot to my machine. In my bobbin thread, I am going to have regular bobbin thread, and I'm going to put a polyester in my top thread. The first stitch we're going to use is that stitch 95. So we're going to select 95 on our machine. I have my fabric in the middle of where my foot is, and as you can see, that needle is going to land a little bit over to that left hand side. I'm going to press the foot down, and it's going to go forward. And then I'm going to start. Select stitch number 93. Now we want to go up, so you're going to select stitch 92. Ignore these arrows, they don't really face the correct way. You're now going to go right, so you're going to select stitch number 94. And as you can see, that foot is moving over to the right. And there we go, we've attached our patch. I'm actually going to see what that zigzag one looks like. Okay, so I've got my patch again. I'm going to put it up to the sewing machine. This time I want the zigzag, so I'm going to press 98. It goes down first. Now I'm going to go to a left zigzag, which is 96. You're going to go up, which is 99. Now the one thing I notice is I need two hands pressing on both sides of the patch. I can't do that so well because I need you to see it on camera, and you're not going to be able to see it if my hands are in the way. But I've noticed that I can't do it so well because my hands are in the way. So you're going to be able to do this much better than me because you're going to be able to have both hands on the fabric as it's going across. Up and down is easier because it takes that regular up and down stitch. I'm going to change it to 97. I'm not going to do too much of this on camera so I can actually show you that it is not as hard as it looks. It's just because I need both hands on that fabric in order to work properly. My few pointers on this is going to be, make sure you're not going as fast as I was going. Take that speed right down slow, and be careful how you're taking it through the machine. Only for the zigzag one, the straight stitch one was much easier. Another thing that you're going to do, don't hold the fabric down so it can't do its job properly. You'll notice it's taking it's doing its side stitches, so you need to let it do its thing, but also you need to steady the fabric so it doesn't move about on you like it has done here. I think overall it's a really cool feature, but definitely the zigzag stitch will need some practicing. Or what you could do is just turn the fabric around and just do the same stitches as the forward one and the reverse one. But obviously where you benefit from this stitch is if you're doing something on a sleeve or something that you can't literally turn around. This four-way stitch is absolutely amazing. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my videos. I have over 600 videos, and also like and comment below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye now.